Good day, YouTube subscribers. How you guys are doing? My name is Marcus. If this is your first time to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys. So today, we're going to be talking about 2018 and what are we going to be doing for the year 2018. We're also going to be talking about some of the changes that we're doing here on this channel, as I promised to you in the year 2017. And this is now our second season, and where we now bring to you everything dealing from finances to homes to banking, as well as to entrepreneurships. Everything that you guys need for the year 2018, we're here to help you guys out with. And again, as always, if you have any comments or any suggestions, leave them at the bottom, so this way we can get back to you and we can address those situations or those issues or maybe questions that you guys may have. Stick around, guys. See you soon. Welcome back, guys. How you guys are doing? All right, guys. So for the year 2018, I hope everyone had a fantastic New Year's. I was glad to see you guys again for the new year. I'm also happy to see that actually new people have subscribed to the channel since the year 2018. I'd like to welcome you guys aboard as well. And today we're going to be talking about where we're going for the year 2018. What are our dreams? What are our focus? And what is it that we're looking to actually gain for the year 2018? Now, for a lot of you guys who've been following me for last year, and for you guys who are not going to be following me for this year now in 2018, 2017 was a fantastic year for us on the market. We've seen a lot of ups and we saw a lot of downs, but in the overall, 2017 was one of the best years in the market, best so far for me, I can say. Some of the investors might say not so much, but for me personally, I think it was a fantastic year for me personally. We also see now that 2018, you also see that a lot of new players are now introduced to the market. So now we have this cryptocurrency that has really taken off. You saw that it took off in 2017, and we see it now in 2018. And where is this going to? That's one. Two, we also see some big companies now that are struggling in 2018 that weren't doing so bad in 2017, but there were signs that they were going to be struggling now for the year 2018. So we're going to be looking out for those companies as well. Hopefully we can capitalize on them when they're actually on the down, and hopefully make that gains when they go up. Now remember, guys, I'm here to teach you guys on how to actually capitalize on both ways, whether the market is going up or whether the market is going down. So either way this situation goes, we always have a way to win. So with the new channel now, we're actually implementing a little bit more graphics into it. We're actually, like I told you guys before, I'm trying to make this a little bit more entertaining. We also have a financial advisor that's going to be in hand, who's actually going to be helping us as far as to the year 2018, where we're going, where we are going to do, and what is it that we can actually capitalize from 2018. Now, with all of that actually being put into books, this is the first episode in season 2, and when we actually are now introducing you guys into the financial market. So hopefully season 2 will actually give you guys a little tools so you can continue putting it on your toolbox, and you actually guys can continue moving forward and actually make some great investments move as you move in for 2018. Now, the channel now is going to be now put up in a little bit more of a graphic type of situation, where I can actually now put charts behind me, and I can actually now, instead of fading out of shots, I can actually be putting shots up and talking about charts, actually moving in a little bit more into charts, teaching you guys about charts. Also going to be teaching you guys how to read those 10Ks and how to read those 10Qs. So this way you guys can get a better, more grasp idea on how is it that we guys see the market, and what is it that we actually see as a potential winner, and what is the potential risk of a loser as well. Also with the backdraft that we got here, we're also going to be actually implementing a little bit more scenery, so this way it's a little bit more pleasant to the eye, and we're going to be doing a lot of other stuff as well. So a little music in the background at times, and comedy is part of this channel now, so hopefully that will be something that we can actually move forward along with this as well. So with all of that being said, I'd like to welcome you guys into the year 2018. And I'd like to, me personally, say thank you for the new subscribers that have come in. I will also like to thank my old subscribers that has also stick with me for the 2017 to 2018 journey. You are also dedicated stand to my channel, and I'd like to thank you guys as well. So we're going to now be putting up 2 videos now. Instead of 1 video, we're going to actually now be putting 2 videos a week. One is going to be with myself actually teaching you guys as we go along, and the second video is going to be with the financial advisor, who's actually going to come in and he's going to actually put in a little spin into these things. So we're trying to do these videos now. We're going to be implementing them every Wednesdays and every Sundays. So Wednesdays and Sundays, we're going to be putting up new videos up. So hopefully you guys are sticking around. So this way, you know, now that you know our timeline, where is it that we're going with this? We're going to be, hopefully we can stick within those timelines. If anything goes wrong, you guys will be the first ones to know. But we don't anticipate anything to be going wrong for this year. So therefore, Wednesdays and Sundays are going to be the time that we actually upload. And as always, guys, remember, more gains, more gains, more gains, giving it your maximum effort. Peace out.